Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AgentVoiceResponse community channel. In our previous videos, we introduced AVR and explained its architecture. Now, it's time to get hands-on. In this video, I will guide you through your very first AVR installation, and we'll do it in less than 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you have a few things installed. So, Git, of course. It's okay. Then Docker and Docker Compose. And of course, a terminal to run commands. If you have got those, you are ready to go. Step 2. Go to the AgentVoiceResponse GitHub page, then repository, find AVR Infra project, and then copy the URL. Open your terminal and type git clone past the URL of AVR Infra project git. Now, move on the AVR Infra directory. And as you can see, this repository contains all the Docker Compose files you need to run AVR. So step 3, set up the environment file. Copy the example environment file with copy.env.example in .env. So, this file is where you will add your API keys for ASR, LLM, and text-to-speech providers. So, for this video, we will use OpenAI speech-to-speech. In this case, what you have to modify is the OpenAI API key. This one, okay? Put your API key here and then close the file. As I said, AVR gives you a few options. You can use speech-to-speech. As I said, Docker Compose, OpenAI real-time, but you have some example with Google, Gemini, Level Labs, DeepGram, Anthropic, Ultravox. Or also if you want to install everything on your local environment. So now I will use the Docker Compose OpenAI real-time file. The command is docker compose -f. That means you want to select a specific file, then put the name of the file, up and -d to run the Docker Compose file in background and start. In just a few moments, you will have AVR running on your machine. You can check the logs in your terminal with Docker Compose, the name of the file, and then logs. Okay. If you put -f, in this case, you can keep the console open. And that's it. Your very first AVR installation in just a few minutes. In the next video, we will go deeper, connecting providers, integrate with Asterisk, and building real demos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and join our Discord community. See you soon. Bye-bye.